right, so mini section 3, the last mini section, go. So right after we go whoop, whoop, whoop here, I'm just gonna show you a quick preview here. I'm going to the side, whoop, and step, 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 point, point, jump. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, let me break it down for you. So, this was the end of mini section 2. What you want to do is, you're basically facing your left corner here. What you want to do is just turn it completely to the left here, yeah? So we're just going from here to here. Notice how my right leg is up here, because the next thing I want to do is do this shovel thing with my right arm here. So I'm doing shovel, and at the same time, I want to kick out my right leg, back, out, back. Yeah, the right arm is going shovel and pull in. So shovel and pull in. The right leg is just saying boom and boom and. Pretty simple, right? Together it's gonna look like this. Shovel and pull in. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go shovel and pull in. Alright, now we're getting to the easiest part of the dance. So right after shovel and pull in, you want to just place your right down here, and then the left goes a bit to the front. Yeah, you don't need to be like this, just tiny steps. All right, so I went from here, right goes down, left goes a bit to the front. Now from here, you just want to take a step with your right to your right, and notice how I'm turning my body from here to here. All right, and then I want to take a step with my left, and then I want to jump in. That's basically what the legs are doing, all right? So from here, right, left, jump. All right, let's see if it fits with the arms. 2 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Here, all right, so the arms are saying, you wanna place your hands here on your hip, and then you wanna say nothing with the arms. And then when you take a step with your left here, you want to say point with your right up in the air, all right? So from here, you just want to do a simple switch where you bring down the right and go up with the left, or kind of here to the corner, all right? So let's just rewind. From here, pull in, you want to say here, here, nothing with the arms, point with the right, point with the left, and then jump up. So let's just rewind from here and practice. No, actually, let's practice. The end of mini section 2 was here. So actually, let's practice from here, where we just say turn and then shovel, pull, step, step, right, left, point, up. All right. So a bit slower. 5. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Turn, shovel, pull, right, left, point again, and up. Let's try one more time. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Turn, shovel, pull, right, left, point, and up. Okay guys, one last time, a bit faster. 5, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Turn, shovel, pull, right, left, point, and up. Alright guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to top. I'm just gonna do a quick run through so that we don't forget the first few moves, and then we're gonna practice at the end. So, a quick run through from the tip to top. We wanna start with shoulders. So, we wanna go kick shoulder, shoulder, place on your face, look, and then point, opposite, and then no, pull out to the sides. From here, you want to say bend, oh, whoa, and then you want to say half circle, and then step, reverse, bring up your right, and then from here, you want to say turn all the way to the left, and then you want to say shovel, and pull in, right, left, left arm, and jump up. Okay, time to practice. From the tip to top, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Shoulder, shoulder, place. Look, arms, opposite, no, pull, bend, whoa, half circle, reverse, up, turn to the left, shovel, pull in, right, left, one again, and up. Okay guys, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder, shoulder, this, look, point, opposite, no, pull, bend, whoa, half circle, hit, reverse, and turn to the left, shovel, and pull in, and set right, left, point, and up. Okay guys, let's try a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder, shoulder, and look, point, no, pull, bend, whoa, half circle, and reverse, and left, shovel, pull in, right, point, up. One last time guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder, and look, point, no, pull, and whoa, here, and left, shovel, pull in, right, point, and up. Alright, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. Alright, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do its complicated Fortnite dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.